almost time for July. And being a Middle East student, the thing that strikes me always is that July is our for excitement because we have a huge summer break in July, and that's the time we go back to our home country, visit our friends, visit our families, and that's the time when there are so many weddings. And to be honest, we go from very hot climate to an entire monsoon climate back to my home country. So for the past many years, that has been my routine and that has been my favorite memory about July. But this July is something different. It's entirely different. I am back to my home country with the same excitement of I was before. But one thing which is missing is that this July is something different. As usual, we are back to our home country, but there's no part that we are going back to our home. Why? Because right now my 12th grade is over and we have officially paused for a little time my UAE life and we are back in India for my higher education. So I started this YouTube channel when I was in 10th grade. I'd expected some kind of growth in my YouTube channel that I'd be able to inspire people. And one thing about me is that I am someone who constantly likes to motivate people and talk. I'm scared of cats, but I'm not scared to talk in front of a huge crowd because I just love it. I don't care if sometimes my language is not so proficient, but the thing is that I love communicating with people and sharing stories, sharing my life. That was the reason why I started this account. And to be honest, it's more like a digital diary so that when I look back on things, I find my memory still kept alive. And one huge reason is that I can save some extra space. Just kidding. But more than that, when I look how forward I came, it's not a big milestone, I would say, that I have not achieved even 500 subscribers or even 1K subscribers. But I started this channel when I was in 10th grade. 10th? Yeah. I initially used to post some kind of motivation edits. Then it slowly started getting to my notes, and I noticed a huge interest for my notes and a huge people are interested to watch my notes. I don't know what's so special in them, but yeah. And later, somewhere along the way, I started getting insights that I need to talk in front of people. And if you ask me, why is it so? I just don't know. I was always like this. And I think I will always be like this too. And I wanted to talk. I wanted to inspire people. I wanted to, not the huge kind of stuffs, but like when someone sees me or someone listens to what I talk, I don't want them to have a huge motivation spike for the next 1 year, but maybe what if their one day becomes better or a minute becomes better? That's a huge blessing in my sense. That is the reason I started this account. And then from slowly to being a school student, I started posting my high school days, my study vlogs, and things like that. And then I started uploading my life updates, my life vlogs too. I am taking a short break. I will definitely come back more stronger. And I feel that one day there will be people out there who is looking forward to know about myself or to know about my journey. So, bye.